honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MieshaLave, and today we're gonna be making some baby hairs. So you guys see these long and obnoxious edges we have? Because I used rice water on my hair and it grew my edges so long, so now I have to cut them because I like my baby hairs. If you guys are interested in seeing this, go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm gonna be using this spoolie to form my baby hairs and to comb my hairs out. I'm gonna spray it with a little water to get it wet so that we can comb these out. Now I love baby hairs, and these long edges, they're not gonna work. So if you're someone that actually don't have baby hairs and your edges are just extremely long already, you can do this if you want to make you some baby hairs. So the rice water grew my edges out so much. Like if you're struggling with loss of edges, use the rice water, period. So you want to figure out how you want your edges to lay, how you want them to be, how long you want them to be, what way you want them to go. So you have to keep that in mind when you're doing this. So I'm gonna go piece by piece because I want my edges to be a certain way this time. And now that my edges have grown out, I can actually make them how I want them to be. So I already pulled out my edges because obviously I have braids, and you want to make sure that you pull out a very thin strip of hair. So this is like very thin, slim to none, because you don't want to be cutting all of your hair. You just want to make some baby hairs, and baby hairs are normally thin anyway. So yeah, just pull out a thin piece of hair. So I just pulled out a thin piece of hair all the way around. Now you don't have to go all the way down like I did, but I like sideburns and I like my edges to come all, like I like dramatic edges, I'm sorry. But you don't have to do it exactly like me, but you can just spice it up a little. So I'm gonna take this razor to cut my hair, just because I don't want it to be so blunt. I'm gonna start off long first. How do y'all deal with people being trolls towards you in any type of way, not even on social media? Like people around you, like at work, at school. How do you guys deal with that on a day-to-day basis? I just don't deal with them. If you don't mean me no good, I don't mess with you at all. It takes nothing for me to cut somebody off. What if I just shave them off? Yeah, what if I just cut them off like this? Let me stop playing if I do it for real. And I'll be crying. I think that's the look I'm gonna go with all the way around. So now that I know how I want them to be, I can just go ahead and cut them. So these are gonna be my sideburns. I want them to start a little bit higher, so I'm gonna part those off right there. And these are my baby hairs. I'm gonna be using this edge control. I got this from my local beauty supply store. So I'm gonna use this to form my edges. So within 2019, I have cut off so many people and my life has been so much better. Y'all see this bump right here? It looks so huge on camera because I have you zoomed in. Do y'all have a hard time doing y'all baby hairs? Like, how long do it take y'all to do y'all baby hairs? Because I be so focused. I be wanting to be, like, there. Like, my baby hairs, they have to be on point. I don't care. I can have a nappy head. As long as my baby hairs are straight and they're all swooped and together, I feel like I'm the cutest up on the planet. I also feel like baby hairs, they make your style. Some people don't like them, but I love them. Me having these braids with no baby hairs would not work. Will not work, sis. Comment down below if you guys have to have baby hairs with every style or not. Because I'm one of those girls that I have to have them every single time. I can't go without them. I be so focused when I'm doing my baby hairs. I can't talk, I can't move, I can't do nothing, baby. What type of edge control do you guys use? Because I really need to find a different type of edge control, because after using this one for so long, you have to work really fast with it or it starts to turn like greasy like. And I hate that because my hair is like really curly, and with it being greasy, it's not gonna hold my edges. I need like something firm. And no, I don't like the gas to, well, I use the gas to be glue, but I just don't like the residue that it leaves, and I'm just not for white edges. So comment down below and let me know what type of edge control you use for your edges if it's hard. I heard that Cara is good, people that make the wax stick, but I don't know, I never used it before. See how it's just making my hair curl up? I have to use a lot to make it lay down. I don't like that. It's like product buildup after so many days. So I'm not gonna cut my sideburns. I'm just gonna put a little bit of edge control on it, just to have them, you know, sleek a little so they can stay together. I don't want them to curl up too much. So I'll put a little over here, and also put a little water on my hand. So I'm gonna mix it with put the edge control on first and then put some water on it so they can stay together like that. And then we're done. Y'all see what I'm talking about with this edge control? Like, it's already it doesn't even have my hair like laying down. It's already coming up. But we're cool. We're good for pictures, sis. Let me know what kind of edge control y'all use so I can have these edges on fleek. But they look better than what they did. And y'all got a little mini edge tutorial. How that work? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what type of edge control you guys use for your edges. I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Baby,